Hello and welcome to my channel Live the Present. Today I will make pineapple chutney. It's very tasty and easy to make. Only the tricky part is how to cut the pineapple and use it for chutney. I will show you a very easy way. So let's check out and enjoy. If you have an Instagram account, please follow my profile livethepresent.priyanka. There I upload my travel, cooking, home decor related pics and short video clips. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon with a new exciting video.